English quotes. Maturity is learning to walk away from people and situations that threaten your peace of mind, self respect, values, morals, or self worth. Life doesn't allow for us to go back and fix what we have done wrong in the past, but it does allow for us to live each day better than our last. You would never invite a thief into your house, so why would you allow thoughts that steal your joy to make themselves at home in your mind? Just believe that good things are on their way. You have been criticizing yourself for years, and it has not worked. Try approving yourself and see